Hey guys, Venture Gaming here, and I want you to watch this video. Yes, this is the first video of, well, not the first, it's part 0, that I'm going to be explaining the rules. But I have some bad news. So, until I get a new tablet for Christmas, I won't be doing a live stream for the Super Smash Bros. World of Light Nuzlocke. But once I get a new tablet to take new videos, I will do a live stream for you guys. I promise. So, yeah, those are the bad news. Now, please enjoy this video and please subscribe so you don't miss these Nuzlocks, memes, and more. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Hi guys, King Monkey here, and I guess I'm going to be talking about the world. Just kidding, not the World of Light Nuzlocke, but the game just told you that. I will be talking about episode 0 of Kirby Fighters 2. And I'm going to show you how to... I'm just going to show you the rules, okay? Let's do this thing, I guess. Gotta wait, do. Yeah. Come on. So basically, to start a Kirby Fighters 2 Nuzlocke, you have to go into story mode. No battle mode. You have to start from story mode, because in battle mode, you get points to do that fighter rank. And you want to stay the fighter rank at 1. Because if you do it at 2, you get more abilities. And that's kind of not fair. Now, these are your characters. We got Kirby. We got Sword, Bomb, Staff, and King Dedede at the start. Sorry, it's loading. So, basically, here are the rules. Once ability is gone, you can't use the ability again. So, like, the Super Smash Bros. World of Light Nuzlocke. If that character dies, you can't use them again. And that's basically it for the run. You have to get more abilities, more points, and you have to get more buddies. The more the buddies, the more the people that you get. And I have to tell you something about these buddies, I should say. See, the copy abilities for this Nuzlocke, you can only use for one life. So, if that copy ability is dead, you can't use it. So your partner in the story mode will go into a ghost. Well, Adventure Gaming has a rule. It'll probably put it in the description, but, well, let me show you. Let me show you guys. Come on, die. Come on. Why are you not doing it? So, basically, oops, sorry guys. So basically, if you saw that, he goes into I think it is an Angel Kirby, while in story mode, you have ghostage, and in a ghost, you can attack the person to turn back from the dead. Well, Adventure Gaming is going to make a challenge. Once every floor, it's going to be randomized. So, like say for the first floor, your partner dies and goes into a ghost. Well, once it gets three deaths, you have to, 1, save your partner, 2, try not to get your partner to die, and 3, well, that's it. You want to make sure your partner is safe. And if your partner is safe, well, there you go. But I just wanted to show you how this game works and all the different Nuzlocke, I should say. So, I'm just saying the partners get 3 lives. Maybe 4, maybe 2. Let me know, guys, in the comments. Well, that's it from me, King Monkey, and also Adventure Gaming at the start of the video. I hope you guys subscribe so you don't miss all these video games that Adventure Gaming plays. And have a great day. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.